Alright, I'm out here at College Street in Lebanon, and there's a bit of an update to this crossing, unfortunately. I don't know when it happened, but it was sometime recently. The federal signal bell that was on the mast signal here was replaced with a General Signals electronic bell. Not sure what type it is though. Based on how recent it was probably sometime within probably a type 3 if I had to guess, so it could be a type 2, or there's even a slight chance it could be a type 1. But no other changes to this crossing, especially not to our signal. There should be a Music City Star train coming through here in about less than 10 minutes, so I'll be recording it on this side, mostly in addition to recording the train, I'll be able to, mostly in addition to recording the new bell, I'll be able to get some photos of the other side of the crossing for the site. So yeah, just a quick update to College Street here in Lebanon, Tennessee. Over and out.